So what you saying, people? It's about once again, Doctor, and welcome to our channel, DforexTrader001. We are here to give you the market weekly forecast, and I think if you followed our market analysis for last week, which happened this week, I think you should be making a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So we are here again, as we always do, give you the easiest pairs to trade, what to look for, and how to execute them. Last week was honestly, I think this week I say was a good one. Can't lie. We give the analysis, and then many of analysis played out pretty well in the foreign market. And if you actually follow that analysis, I think you should be making some good pips and some profit. You know what I'm saying? So let's kickstart everything by DXY without taking much of our time. So on DXY, I predicted last week that we wanted to see a break on this range, that we were waiting for some sort of break and retest, but unfortunately we had the retest, but it was a deep pullback. I was expecting something more of we come back here and then we put to the upside, but unfortunately we have a deep pullback, and I was thinking maybe we might probably be changing in direction. Maybe we actually had to come down here, pull back here, and then drop, but we didn't see that. So as you can see what happened, but this market actually does as we predicted. We actually take part of this. If you actually checked here, we have a retracement down here. I don't know, you might not know how it goes, but if you are a student at the DforexTrader001 Academy, I think you should be able to spot some break and retest. So on DXY, and our analysis was the bullish analysis, which we said was intact. So for this coming week, what should be our analysis and what should we be expecting in this first market? Honestly, this market is somehow simple and straight. So we are going to have this level. So we've seen a break. We've seen a break of this. We've seen a break. So what should we be expecting? We expect a break and a retracement. We've seen a break right there. What are we expecting? A retracement to this level, and then we look for a buying opportunity. And for the bearish scenario, to consider taking a sell on this trade is until I see a break on this level, and then I would say the market might be changing. If I see a break here, pull back, I might be looking to buy right there, but I'm more bullish than bearish. Note that, because we can see the market is actually pointing to the upside. So let's check the currency pairs from AUD/USD. AUD/USD last week, I predicted that we actually want to see some sort of break and retest on this range, but we got that right there. So we have a break and retracement. We picked the trade. So this trade we just took out 1 to 2 because we know this is a new week. We are approaching a new week, so we have to close out our position. So it was here, stop loss was somehow here, and then I just had to take it out. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to leave the trade till the next week. So on NZD/USD, I said I entered the sell right here. This was a loss. We had a loss on NZD/USD, and then we got the break and retest again and again. This is it. We get it. I didn't pick the trade on NZD/USD, but this is a break and retest, which means our analysis actually played out pretty well in the forex market. So I even forgot to analyze that. Damn, how manage, bro? So what should we be expecting on AUD/USD for this coming week? Very simple and straight. I think if you be following us, you should know what we are dealing here. We've got the break. What do we wait for? We wait for the retracement, bro. So wait for the retracement back here and then look for a selling opportunity. And if you get the sell, I want you to it's going to be a swing trade. I want you to hold it as long as you can, you know what I'm saying. But I will tell you, but if I spot an entry, I might be holding it before till the month runs out, you know. And for the bullish scenario, but I'm more bearish than bullish. Just note that I'm more bearish than bullish. Is until I see this a break, retracement, then I look to buy AUD USD. But I'm more bearish than bullish. Just note that. So on SAD USD, same thing applies. We actually picked this trade as well. Sorry, we didn't, but we entered the one on AUD USD. So it's still same thing. Oh, sorry. It's still same thing. It's still the same analysis. We need to just wait for some sort of break and retest down here. Wait for some sort of break and retest, and then we look for a selling opportunity right here. So probably on Monday, if we could see some retracement back down here, we look to sell. This is going to be a swing trade. Note that this is going to be a swing trade. So for the bullish case scenario, if I could see a breakout on this level, I might be considering to be bullish. If I could see this happening, I think we might be going for an upward trend. But if you don't see that, if you are still below this range, I'm still bearish. So on USD chef, honestly, USD chef, I think my analysis on USD chef was to see a retracement. Yeah, I remember. Was to see a retracement down here. We see retracement, and then we are waiting for some sort of break, a breakdown. I'm waiting for some sort of break for this, a break and a rally to the upside. And I picked the trade based off this engulfing bullish candle, and what happened? SL sharp. So then I was kind of sketchy about this trade because I had this level right there again. I had this level, and I was like, if this level could not hold, I think we might be going for a drop. But the level holds, and then the market rally. So we actually had a loss on USD chef. But what should be the next level target? So for USD chef, we are bullish on USD chef, as you can see. So what do we need to wait for? A breakdown here, and then we look for some sort of candlestick formation, and we look to buy the markets. And for the bearish case scenario is to see the market taking out this level. If the market could take out this level, believe me, I'll be looking to sell. If I could see this, a breakdown here, pull back, I might be thinking of selling USD chef. So that's that about USD chef. Let's check others. So on USD card, honestly, USD cards are still big in the range. It was the same way we left it. So what should be our analysis? If you are going to be buying USD chef, I want to see a break, pull back here, and then we look to buy. So for the bearish case scenario is if I could see a drop, pull back here and drop, and then I look to sell. But that's still going to happen next week. Let's hope we react to whatever the market does. So USDJPY, honestly, USDJPY has been on the same level because I don't really like USDJPY, because I didn't pick any trade on this because the market it wasn't really straightforward, you know what I'm saying. So I want to see a clear break and retest. I was so much tempted to get based off this candle, but because the market wasn't really my taste, and I just had to leave it. So on USD JPY, I'm just waiting for a clear break and retest, a clear one. If I'm going to be bullish, I'll be expecting some sort of break and retest on this level if it actually happened. So for USDHF, I need to see a break higher. If we are going to be bullish, a pullback here, and then I look to buy. And if you are going to be bearish, I want to see a drop down here, pullback here, and then we drop to the downside. And I've still considered this level as well, but I think it has been in the past. You know what I'm saying? So that's just that on USDJPY. On EU, on EU, we actually had no trade. I said we wanted to see some sort of break and retest, but unfortunately we didn't see that. I think I marked this level, but we actually had no trade on Euro USD. So what should we be expecting next week? On EU next week. On EU next week, we should be expecting some sort of break and retest. I want to see some sort of break and a retest. We've seen the break. This is a break. I'm expecting a retracement, and then we look to sell the market. And if we are going to be bullish, I want to see the market doing something like this: a break higher to this level, pull back, and then rally to the upside. So that's that on EU. So for GU, we had a trade on GU because we had this level, and we've seen the retracement. I think last week I also said that we wanted to see the markets coming down here. So we want to see a break, and then we have this deep pullback. But we actually had no trade on there until we saw the market breaking this last structure, and then we actually had our trade entry right there. So on GU, what should be my analysis? I think my analysis is I want to see a pullback down to this level. I want to see a pullback on the 4H. A break. We've seen the break. We are waiting for retracement. So I want to see retracement down here, and then I look to sell. And for the bearish case scenario, for the bullish rather, I want to see this one be violated. If I could see this, a break here, pullback, I might be looking to buy GU next week. If I could see that. So that's that. Let's check the XAUUSD. So XAUUSD has been amazing. I said I wanted to see a break. I think this one was the easiest of them all. We saw this break to the upside. I said I wanted to see some sort of retracement, and then we saw the retracement. We entered the trade, and we are still moving higher. We got in right there. Based off this engulfing, and then stop loss was below the candle. And then what's happening, guys? My TP was here, so I'm actually still on this trade. And then we actually had the second level, and I was thinking if I could see some sort of break and retest as well, but the one I saw wasn't really enticing. You know what I'm saying? So gold, SAUSD has been amazing. Guys. Has been amazing. So we are still on this trade, hoping to catch it. I think we are about 1 to 2 or something. Oh wow, it's 1 to 3 already. So on this, we are making a lot of money. I think I'm actually on this trade, and then I'm also on when I'm currently on, I'm actually on this. I can't remember I think I only left AZD USD. I think is it AZD USD rather. So, but SAUSD is giving us what we wanted. So, guys, SAUSD still way to TP. So, what should be the analysis? I think if we could get a pullback, probably down here, and then rally, or here, can't say, but I've already trailed my stop. If everything goes south, I'm still going to be making some money because my stop loss was somehow here again, because I'm still waiting for this pullback. I haven't seen one, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So, guys, that's that. And if you want to learn how to do this, you can actually chat us up, and then we send you the link. This 2025, you need to change your trading. If you keep blowing accounts and you want to learn how it comes out every week, give you one of the easiest way to see the market, you can actually drop a comment if you want to learn. And if you want, we don't give signal actually, because I will never advise you to take signal, because taking signal won't make you a good trader. No, you have to be your own hero. So we will teach you how to be a signal provider yourself, not waiting for someone to give you the signal. So if you want to join the DforexTrader001 Academy, you are welcome. You are welcome. We welcome you. And guys, have a sweet weekend and enjoy your day, and have a peaceful week ahead. Thank you so much. It still remains me, your host again, Doctor, and it's really nice for you to be on here. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We really need your support just for many of people to see this. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you.